Now, what's paintless dent repair?
Any dent that doesn't require paint, I'm assuming.
Oh, no, okay, no, if I say, John Carlos, I'm going to give you a paintless dent repair policy for a year, what's that mean to you?
To me,
Yeah.
just any dent that doesn't require painting. If I'm correct, I'm not.
Okay.
Yeah.
What, does it mean you can get it fixed?
I'm assuming, yeah.
Yeah, what's the deductible?
Is it free for a year?
Well, the policy is complimentary for a year. Never use the word free, because free is
Okay.
worth what? Nothing. Complimentary, on the other hand, is cool. But let's talk about the policy itself. What's it gonna do for you as a consumer?
Well, for me, I mean, any little dent that I can get, I can get it fixed for complimentary by the store. So for me, if I was to buy it, that means a lot.
Okay, how many dings or dents will we fix during that first year?
All of them, or is there? I'm not sure.
877.
This is right.
Okay, we cut them off after 877. All right, how do they get the dent fixed? They call you, or they call? I mean, is it they call the salesperson? Call the dealership? How do they do it?
Not sure.
How do they do it? No, I don't know. I don't know either.
So what we like them to do is to call the service department and schedule it
Okay.
because you have somebody here on the lot. But they can call the number on the contract.
I thought,
and we
whoa,
can
I
send-
thought they were supposed to call the 1-800 number. Are you sure?
Yeah, positive.
What do you think?
I was writing an email, Are you talking about how to call a claim in, or?
Yeah.
We want them to come to the dealership. I have,
Or-
so there's a form,
Right, right.
that the dealership fills out for their paintless dent repair guy to get him authorized.
Okay.
And so we
So
go,
they get the authorization from
Yep.
EasyCare.
yep.
Okay, good.
And we set it up for like whenever your lot guy's here, every Tuesday or Thursday that he's here. I think Tony's got him here 2 times a week.
Okay.
Okay, good.
But as a salesperson, that's a good thing to know when your dent and ding guy is here, because when you're talking about it